Good afternoon, guys. So we're back and we're gonna try and install our new headliner. So I've got the old headliner out here on the table. It's a disaster. So I'm gonna try and clean it up. I've got the steam cleaner getting ready to go there now. We're gonna try and clean up some of that dirt on it before we flip it over to the other side, and then we're gonna steam clean that side too. But anyways, this is what we're doing today. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up, and then I'm gonna turn you guys back on. There's no point in you guys sitting here watching that. I'm gonna get frustrated, I know it, and I have no idea how long it's gonna take me to clean this. So anyways, I will turn you guys back on when we're actually ready to start putting down the new headliner. So we'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so we've got it all steam cleaned. It did an alright job, not the best, I guess. I don't know what that is, dirt or something, but it won't come out. But it really doesn't matter because it will be a different color and you won't see that. But anyways, there's a couple of spots where it's a little bit more wet still than others. So we're gonna let that dry, and as soon as it's dry, then we'll lay out the fabric. So the fabric that we got, it's a blue suede. So it should be a little different for the headliner. But as soon as this is dry, I'll turn you guys back on and show you how we lay this down. Alright, we'll see you again in a few. Okay guys, so it's all dry. We're getting really close to being able to put the blue suede down. So we got some spray adhesive for fabrics. We should be able to do this hopefully pretty easily. I've never done this before. I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm going to set you guys up. If it takes a long time to do it, then we'll fast forward through it. But we'll see how it goes. So anyways, here's how we're going to try and install this. Okay, here we go. Can you just wipe that little bit of dirt off for you? So it says, clean surfaces to be bonded to remove oil, wax, dirt, etc. Shake can well, hold can 10 to 20 centimeters from the surface and apply a uniform coat of adhesive to entire area of both surfaces to be bonded. Allow adhesive to dry until tacky. 1 to 3 minutes. Join the surfaces and hold firmly. Hey guys, so you're only at 14% left on the GoPro. We flipped it over, we've trimmed a bit. We're gonna try and make the edge look nice and neat, so that way then when it goes up in the headliner, it doesn't look like it has wrinkles or anything. So just in case the GoPro dies, that's what we're doing. So we're gonna end up spraying some spray adhesive here and in here and just trying to go nice and neat over the whole way around the the headliner. So anyways, we'll keep moving forward. Hey everyone, so GoPro battery died. Like I told you, it was getting low. So Audrey and I finished it off, and it turned out really quite well. Now, we've steam cleaned it just to make sure everything's good. There's still a little damp. There's a couple of spots where we put on a little bit too much glue, but it's nothing that you're going to be able to notice, especially once it's in the car and all that. Still have to cut out for like the dome light and for the sun visors, and then we're pretty much ready to put this back in the car. So that was my first attempt at doing a headliner. If I don't like it, I don't know if I can peel this off or not, or if I'll just have to put another layer on it if I don't like it. So it's it was a great learning experience. Audrey and I had some fun. We did a little bit of laughing while we were doing it, and I think I'm about 99% happy with how it turned out. So that's awesome. So I hope this helps you guys out. I hope this becomes something that you might want to try. If it is, great. Let me know how it works out for you. If you thought this was a help, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And we're going to be doing the door panels here with a little bit of suede. And I don't know what else. Kind of whatever I'm feeling like on the day, we're going to end up doing. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching this, and we'll see you guys on the next one.